In today's video, I'll teach you how to set or change the PIN for Westpac business credit or debit card. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to set or change the PIN for the Westpac business credit or debit card, first of all, you have to go to the official website of Westpac. For that, click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in westpac.com.au. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Westpac. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at top, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like home, personal, business, corporate, etc. Click on this option, business. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find this option for credit cards and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the credit cards interface. You'll be able to access various options related with credit cards over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for I want to. At last, you'll be able to find this option for manage my credit card over here. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to manage your credit card in this interface. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, at first, you'll be able to find this option for getting started. If you look into this paragraph over here, you'll be able to find this option for set or change your PIN. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll finally be able to set or change the PIN for yourself from this interface. In this interface, you'll also be able to see the instructions. So if you want to set or change the PIN, you can use the Westpac app, or you can also use the online banking if you want. So if you want to use the Westpac app, what you have to do is simply launch open Westpac application on your device. After you do that, sign in to the app. Now from the bottom menu, what you have to do is select the option for self-serve. After you do that, in the section for card services, you'll be able to find this option for set or change PIN. What you have to do is select it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply select the card from the drop-down list. Now enter and confirm a new PIN. After you do that, simply select the option for submit. Follow the authentication prompts in order to set your new PIN. So like this, you'll be able to set the PIN. If you want to use the online banking, what you have to do is simply sign into online banking using your 8-digit customer number and password. After you do that, what you have to do is select services from the service menu. After that, select the option for set or change PIN. Now select the card from the drop-down list, enter and confirm a new PIN, then select the option for submit. Again, follow through the authentication prompts in order to set your new PIN. So like this, you'll be able to set the new PIN using the online banking. Right now in this interface, you'll be able to find this option for change your PIN. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the login interface. From here, what you have to do is log in to your account. Enter your customer ID and password. Click on the field of customer ID and enter the customer ID over here. After you do that, enter the password. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be signed in to your account. After you do that, simply follow all the instructions that I told you earlier. After you do that, you'll be able to set or change the PIN. So that is how you set or change the PIN for Westpac business credit or debit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.